In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a checklist on Notion. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So a lot of people use Notion to organize their life and note down things like to-do lists. So if you are wanting to create a to-do list or a checklist, what you can do is first of all come to Notion, and you'll be on this page here. And from here, I'm just going to go ahead and add a page. Once you add a page, this is what it will look like. And from here, you could give it a title, so it could be checklist. And then if you click enter, what that will do is it will put it down onto the next line. And to go ahead and create a checklist, all you simply need to do is click on /. Then that will bring up this command box here, and you can click and choose anything that is on this list. But as you can see at the top, there is an option for to-do list. If you click on that, what that will do is it will allow you to create a to-do list. So for me, for example, it could be make a video for YouTube. And then if you check these boxes off, what that will do is it will look like this. It will grey out and put a line through it, and that means that that task has then been done. So that's how you can go ahead and create a checklist on Notion.